Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME device to SONY Xperia XA2. Begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and receive next to Send at the bottom of SONY. Also on SONY, you need to click on the best option to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to REALME. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. And then from those categories, pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just select a couple of them. In my case, those two photos. When you finished whatever you do, just tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on SONY. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your SONY's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!